The Taylor series about x equals 5 for a certain function f converges to f of x for all x in the interval of convergence. The nth derivative of f at x equals 5 is given by this function, and f of 5 equals 1/2. Show that the 6th degree Taylor polynomial for f about x equals 5 approximates f of 6 with an error less than 1 over 1,000. Anna?
Lagrange error is equal to r of n of x is equal to f n plus 1 of c times x minus c to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 factorial is less than or equal to the error of 1 over 1,000.
Yes, Anna. Okay, we can do 2 and 3 together. So we can see that the problem is telling us that we need to find the, 6th degree Taylor polynomial. Thank you, Anna. So we're going to do R6 of x. Yes.
Because of this.
6th degree Taylor polynomial. Now, we need to approximate at f of 6. Point where that is in purple pen. F of 6. So now we have R6 of 6. Everyone got that? Where we're getting those? Yes.
Okay, so now we're going to plug it in. So we have our formula right over here. We got this from right over here, and this is the derivative of it.
Now show how here, up here it says f of n of 5, but here we did f of n plus 1. That's because in this equation, it's f of n plus 1. So anywhere there was an n in this equation, we're now putting n plus 1.
And then you can see that n is going to be equal to 6 right over here.
Because of what? Step 2.
Okay, so now let's plug it in. You guys can see this, so I'm going to start over here. So it's going to be negative 1 to the 7th times 6 plus 1 factorial all over 2 to the 7th times 6 plus 1 plus 2. So that is equal to negative 1 to the 7th times 7 factorial all over 2 to the 7th times 9. And we get negative 4.375.
Get it? Got it? Almost done.
Okay, next page.
Cover it up. Cover it up. All right. You want to explain this one too?
Okay, yeah. So step 5. So now we have, here, I'll do half of it. You guys see this right here, x minus c to the n plus 1 over n plus 1 factorial. So we're going to plug in and we get that x is equal to 6 from step 3.
And where you can see f of, step 3, yeah, f of 6.
Right here.
That's where the x is. Okay. We all know it's f of x.
So now we're going to plug in 6 minus 5 to the 7th all over 7 factorial.
Now why did we get the 5 there, Anna? I'm so confused.
Because it is being,
it's going around.
Yeah. X equals 5.
Yeah, it says right here.
Where is it?
Go us.
For a certain function of...
Anyways, it goes about x equals 5. And we get the answer is 1.984 times 10 to the negative 4. So it's a very small number. So in the end, we're going to plug everything back into the Lagrange error. Show us that Lagrange error.
Right over here.
And we color-coded it so you can see where we got everything. My idea.
Yeah, you know her. Okay, back to this. So we get this times this, and we get 0.008. 0.0008. So therefore, 0.0008 is less than the error 1 over 1,000.
Thank you for the decorations, Anna, and thank you for your time.
Thank you.